We're here at Collegetown Court to take a look at the 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment 201. Before we go in, I wanted to show you the position of the apartment on this floor. We're right across from the laundry room, which is right here on the other side of 200. We'll pop in real quick. So you can see this apartment in particular is in a great position, very centrally located to the laundry for the building. You can use credit cards to operate those washers and dryers. Let's go on into the apartment. The 0-1 layout for all the apartments, as well as the 0-0 right next door, the 5 bedrooms, have a hallway entrance, so it's a unique location. We're at the front of the building, the south end towards Dryden Road, so we come in through this long hallway. There's a great nook there where you can place your shelf for shoes or things like that. It's really convenient. We'll go by and we'll see the bathroom first as we're going past that. That's that door on the right. Let's take a look in here. So here's the bathroom. You can see the toilet and the vanity, and the tub shower is over here on our right. Let's go take a look at the rest of the main parts of the apartment. As we go on in, we'll go into the kitchen next. The kitchens will always have the same items. We have that refrigerator, there's the dishwasher, the sink with a sprayer, the microwave, there's cabinets and drawers, and that stove and oven. Right across from us is an open living space. So we've got a little dining table here. There's seating areas. The furniture is provided in the apartment. And you can see the TV mounted on the wall, so that's a feature of these larger apartments like a 4-bedroom. There's an air conditioner under the window, and you can see this is a nice large window. We're facing to the east here. This is looking up Dryden Road. We're in central Collegetown, just a few steps up from that main intersection of Collegetown, which is Dryden Road and College Ave. Let's go back around. We'll go see the bedrooms next. Let's go through. We're going back past kind of where we came in. There we go, past the bathroom. Let's do the bedrooms. Bedrooms 1 and 2 are over on the side of the apartment. These are both facing to the east. And 1 and 2 are the slightly larger rooms within this apartment. It's not a huge difference, but a little bit more floor space. You can see, again, east up Dryden Road. And bedroom 1. Let's go see bedroom 2. Bedroom 2 is across from the bathroom. And as you recall from the other videos, the bedrooms will always have the dresser, the bookshelf, the desk and chair, and a full-size bed. And again, we are on the east side over here. Let's look out that window again. So looking up Dryden Road, and there's the furnishings and the closet. I like how they've arranged the bed in here. That's a different layout. I haven't seen that very often. Okay, let's go back around. Let's see the next bedroom. So we're going back across that living room. We'll go to room 3. Room 3 is a corner, so look at that. We get the extra window. So room 3, the corner bedroom has an east-facing window. This window does not open, but it's there on the east. So the Dryden Road view, and then also this one faces south. We're looking across the street to the Brazano Family Center. So again, we're in central Collegetown, in a great position here on the 200 block of Dryden Road. Collegetown Court is located at 208 Dryden Road. We are just a few steps up from that intersection of College and Dryden. Let's go see room 4. Rooms 3 and 4 are the same size. They are matching in size. And room 4 just has the one window, again, to the Brazano across the street. And we can take a look at the furnishings. Oh, that's a good spot for that bookshelf over there. You may move furniture around however you like in an apartment. Here is the closet. Let's get this closet open. Closets are all the same in here. All the bedroom doors have a deadbolt lock. You also have that deadbolt lock on your apartment door, and the lobby is a locked entryway as well. So you can also take a look at the overview video for Collegetown Court to see how the building fits together, the location of the fitness room, and things like that. But this is apartment 201. We have this model of apartment, the 01 style, on floors 2, 3, 4, and 5 here in Collegetown Court, in this 5-floor building in central Collegetown, where we are just 1 block from campus.